Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe video to share today, and today is for cookies. My boys and I baked chocolate chip cookies, but this is more to like double chocolate because it uses cocoa powder as well. And then some of them we dipped it in white chocolate, more to almond bark coating, so it's like white chocolate. You can use either almond bark or white chocolate, so make it like triple chocolate chip cookies. And if you'd like to see them, they are very good. They are using tahini, sesame seed paste that you can substitute with other butter like almond butter or peanut butter. But of course, when using peanut butter, it will be strong in peanut butter taste. You can also use cashew nut butter, but cashew nut butter is so expensive. But yeah, give a try with the sesame seed first and see if you like it as well. It's much affordable compared to the other almond butter or cashew nut butter or hazelnut butter. But if not, peanut butter will work as well. I'll see you soon again. Bye. So for the dry ingredients, what I have here is 1.5 cup strong baker's flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and half teaspoon of coarse kosher salt. That the dry ingredients are mixed, we're gonna set aside and we're gonna prepare the wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, what I have here is half cup of white sugar, regular sugar, 3/4 cup of demerara sugar, 1 cup of tahini, half cup of butter, and half tablespoon of vanilla essence. We're gonna beat this with 1 large egg until completely smooth. So you just want to mix it until completely combined and smooth. And if you don't like tahini, you can substitute with butter or almond butter. It's smooth, we're gonna beat in our flour a little at a time.
I don't want to add too much.
Yep, too much at a time. So a little at a time, otherwise the flour gonna fly everywhere.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna stir in about 1 cup of chocolate chips. With ice cream scoop, just drop the dough on parchment lined paper, and we're gonna bake it at 375 Fahrenheit preheated for about 8 to 10 minutes. You can leave your cookies as is, or you can press them down with fork. It's all your preference. And if you want, you can also sprinkle them with coarse sea salt. Press some of them and sprinkle with coarse sea salt, but some are regular. So we ended up with 3 styles. I did this, my youngest did that, my oldest did this, and then we're gonna dip these ones in white chocolate. So this is what my oldest made, and this is almond bark coating. We're just gonna dip them. Here they are, 3 styles chocolate chip cookies with tahini as a twist.